that's why I'm definitely waiting to hear back from you.
What do you think? Are you going to go for 2 hours?
I think, well, if they're still,
Messi, Selatan.